Hello children, once again I Niti Srivastava welcome you all in online class where I am going to discuss and explain you same unit number 3, and the topic is 3-digit number one more time with video part 2. Children, in video part 1 unit 3 you have seen and I have discussed different topics like what is 3-digit number, its value in mathematics, how you write the 3-digit number in numeral and in words, and the last topic was what number comes before, after and in between. So proceed to the video part 2. I am going to discuss the following topics like what is expanded and short form, what is place value and face value, what is ascending and descending order, what is smallest and greatest number, and the last topic is what is comparison of number in 3 digits. So don't waste your time and let's begin with the first topic. Children, place value and face value play very important role in mathematics. So before starting this, we should know what is face value and what is place value. Place value, the value of a digit based on its place in a number, it is called its place value. We can understand with an example. Suppose I have written the number like 632. So in the place chart, place value of 2 is 2 ones, place value of 3 is 3 tens, and the place value of 6 is 600. So this way you understood. Now go to the next topic, face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the actual value of the digits at whatever place it may be. You can understand with example 456. Face value of 6 is 6, 5 is 5, 4 is 4. So this way you have understood the concept. Let's start with the book work. Open page number 36 in mathematics books, and you are seeing with the first example 329 is written. So 3 is at the 100 place. Its place value is 300. Next example 537. 7 is at the ones place and its place value is 7. Third is 916. 9 is the 100 place, so its place value will be 900. Next question 973. 7 is the tens place and its place value will be 90. So this way you complete page number 36. Go to the next topic, what is expanded and short form. So before starting I want to explain the meaning of expanded and short form. When we write the number in the plus form in Broadway, it is called expanded form, and when we write the number in remove the plus sign and in short it is called short form of 3-digit number. So this way children, you see the first upside part, write each of the following in expanded form. Page number 37 open. One example has already done for you. Go to the next example 796. So you will write how? Yes, 700 plus 90 plus 6. So the number will be. Next example 563. 500 plus 60 plus 3. So this way you will complete the question of expanded form. Go to downside short form. Write each of the following in the short form. Short form I already explained you. First example has already done. So go to the next example 100 plus 80 plus 6. When we remove plus from both the side, your answer will be 186 in short. So this way you will complete both the question on page number 37. Go to the next part. It is called the comparison of number. To compare two given numbers means to find which of the number is greater or less than the other. And children, you know this sign very well from the first beginning of the class, we can say from the nursery class. So take the example of first 86 is written and writes at 103. You compare and which sign children will come? Yes, less than. So this way children you complete page number 39 easily. Go to the page number 40. Here it's question related to the smallest number. You know children, what is the smallest number? Yes, the number which having the less score, it is called the smallest number. You see the first row, numbers given 439, 394, 493, 349 and 419. Among these three numbers, which number is the smallest? 349. Go to the next part, page number 41. This is the question related to the greatest number. You know what is the greatest number? Yes, the number which having the highest score, it is called the greatest number. So see the first row, 316 written, 613 written, 631, then 361, 711. You are seeing among this number 711 is the greatest number. So you encircle this number. This way children, if you have any problem related to this question, you can chat me in our second of WhatsApp group. So children, you see page number 40 and page number 41. See, You can take another example of like smallest number 706, 670, 607, 760, 577. Among these number, 577 is the smallest number. Go to the page number 42. The topic begins with the ascending and descending order. Children, you know what is ascending order? Yes, when the number begins from the smallest to biggest, it is called ascending order, and when the number begins from biggest to smallest, it is called descending order. First, take example written numbers like 259, 648, 175, 312, 840, and 468. You have to arrange this number in this way. So children, this way you complete page number 42 easily. Go to the page number 43. Numbers first see 520 given, 479 given, 602 given, 398 given, 501 given, and 497. So you have to arrange this number 602, 520, then 501, 497, 479, and 390. This way children, you will complete the page number 43. So children, we reached at the end of this part. Thanks for watching maths video part 2. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself, and wait for my copy work which I have shown in the PDF. So complete it and send to the student link as soon as possible. Till then children, bye bye, take care of yourself.